Hi, today let's make simple and easy Pongal recipe. It is very simple, very easy, yet very healthy. Very simple. In a cup, I've taken rice and I've taken moong dal. I've washed it, cleaned it, and soaked it for at least 10 minutes. Now, in a cooker, I've added in ghee. Once the ghee is melted, add the soaked rice and moong dal to it. Fry the rice and moong dal really very well till it's fragrant. Once it's slightly aromatic and fragrant, add in water. Pongal is usually water consistency, so more of water is fine. Give it a good mix, add salt to it, and give at least 2 to 3 whistles. Now, this is the consistency of Pongal what we are wanting. I'm adding turmeric powder now. If you want, you can add it while cooking as well, but this is how I do. Now, while this is boiling, let's make a tasty tadka, which is the heart of a Pongal. Add ghee, then I'm adding in cumin seeds, I'm adding in peppercorns, I'm adding in cashews, and then I'm adding in crushed ginger, coconut pieces. It gives a beautiful flavor to the pongal. Now I'm adding in green chilies and then curry leaves, and give it a good mix till it is crispy and the cashew turns slightly brown. Now once it's fragrant and roasted very well, transfer it to the pongal and then give it a good mix. Check for the salt, and then at last finally garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and follow.